What's up? Allstate?
Yeah.
All right. I mean, you can look. There. At one point, this was like a white roof. As you look right here, shingles are gone now. Right. Go ahead and RPS it, whatever. But I'm trying to do a repair team. So I said repairable. Let's get it paid for. Also, I do want you to take into consideration. See these? The shingles have broke. The shingles were torn up, right? From the hurricane. I would love to get some of this TPO paid for as well, right? I mean, it's very fair. It's one solid piece, and it's damaged. The nails have ripped it from where the wind got it after the wind hit the shingles up. I mean, you see it right there, right? Yeah. So I love to get this TPO paid for too. I don't think that section's like it. It's just this section. I'll just take this one. All right, let's go and get started. Do this. Change this one out. I got to unseal these two. I got to unseal the two rows above it that are overlapping the shingle. So let's go and get started. The generator is getting very hot. So. Oh, saw that? You got that?
Yep.
You see it, dude. Try to come in from the other side. See it? All right.
Yep.
See it?
Yep.
These shingles like this. I mean, at this point, dude, this thing is torched. Alright, and then I gotta get this one. Oh, you just look at that. Come on, I can't get that thing up under. See it?
Yep.
I'll stay. Come on now. Chunks. I hate doing trying to do repair and stuff like this. Fiberglass gets in my hand, see that?
Yep.
That fiberglass gets in my hand, see that?
Well, you can see how hot it is. The tar on the shingle is stuck to my shoe.
See that?
Yep.
See that?
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, I ain't look at that.
That thing is.
I ain't even like, I ain't even look at that. It's just me trying to
It's just coming off in pieces.
Yeah, look.
It can't come off in one big shingle.
Oh. Look at that. You see that?
Yep.
Story. Alright. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to get these nails out, get off there. Actually, I'm gonna lift these shingles up a little bit. Not high though, which at this point it don't matter because this thing.
They've already ripped?
Yeah.
Yep.
Thing fell miserably. In the middle. I can't even believe it. At this point, this thing's done for anyway. They're just pulling through like crazy. It's gonna be difficult. Damn. They're pulling through like crazy. this nail is hi. Y'all, the nail, look at that. The nail head literally broke off. It rusted off. I want you to get a zoom in on this. I'm about to pull the shingle out. That's right here. See that? See that? It broke off. I can't get that nail off. So I'm gonna slightly and lower pull that like that. Only way to get it. I'm not really worried about lifting that shingle too high because whatever. It's already done for. I'm still trying to show you that I'm not lifting it high, but I don't think creasing it. Yeah, that's what's the problem. Is these heads are so, these shingles are so old, right? Look at that.
Holy.
Yeah, I know. Come on, man. And you want me to do that to how many?
10 square.
Yeah, I don't need that.
10 square at this house.
We messed up all thing. Literally everything on one of them are doing that, dude. They're all breaking.
I think George Washington shingled this roof.
Dude, look at this. I know they're lifting a little high, but they're already short. Look at that.
God.
Come on, dude. What am I supposed to do with that? Anyway, I have no good nails to put this thing bang that.
Got shingle pieces flying everywhere.
I'm literally gonna take nails out of a damn this TPO. Look at that. I can't. This is ridiculous, dude. There's my other one. See if I can get the shingle on, dude. Got one up there. It's gonna be a problem. Allstate, I'm asking for the roof and I'm asking for this TPO I'm standing on, and I'll take care of the rest. Don't worry about it. Please, just buy this TPO and this roof. I know you're gonna roof payment schedule. I've already, homeowner's aware of that. She don't care about that. She just like a little bit. I'll give her a couple $100. She probably won't. We're gonna get her a new roof on.
Is the exposure different? Yeah, a little bit.
Hard to tell.
Yeah, kinda.
Jacked up.
Mm-hmm.
What's left?
Yeah, it's the middle of. It's the start of summer here. Summertime. Just think we got 4 or 5 months more of this. And then by then we'll get another hurricane.
Allstate, come on now. I need y'all to really take care of this lady. She ain't got a whole lot.
Yep.
She's trying to get it done right. And her cylinders are falling in. And she's got TPO. It looks like this. We ain't paying for. Where are y'all? I didn't check.
I think they paid $428 for rolled roofing.
It's not roll roofing.
Yeah, it's not rolled roofing.
TPO. They're trying to be cheap. The only thing I gotta get nails put in there. Let's see if we can see something. See that mat transfer?
Yep. Mat transfer. Mat transfer.
What about the actual shingle? Where's it at? Look at that. There it is. Look at this. Look at that match on shingle. Whole thing. Look at the nail holes. Like, pull through. All stay. I ain't even putting no more. I ain't putting no nails in there because the other 3 nails are rotted. So, that's what I'm saying. It's gonna be quick work. My fingers hurt now. Look. This one. This one. Look at the whole. Look at this. You see this?
Yep.
Hey, look.
It looks like it's got a mouth on it.
They're missing a whole chunk there. Look at this one. I ain't even gonna mark this up. Look, I'm just gonna do like that because I mean, hell. Look at this. See this? See that? See that? See this? Look at this one. Look at this one. Come on, dude. I ain't even gonna mark it up. That thing's destroyed. And you want me to do this thing? 10 to what? Come on now. You got your before pictures, right?
Yeah.
The back of the truck, can I make it?
They don't call him Tom Brady for nothing.
All right.